This is how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. We're going to open up Spotify. Now let's say there are two ways that you want to do this. The first way is with a music artist, and the second way is with some kind of playlist or podcast. Let's start by doing the artist. Let's go to search, and let's say I want to listen to this guy right here. So immediately after you open up the artist profile, right next to the play button, you see these two intercepting arrows. When those arrows are green, that means Spotify Shuffle is on. When they are gray, it is off. So right now it's off, so let's go ahead and click his first song right here, which is Sundown.
When the sun goes down.
So that song will start playing. We're going to open up the song by pressing the song name itself right here. We're going to hit next, go to the next song. And you see that Gasoline started playing. It started playing because Spotify Shuffle was off. It played the very next song below it. So let's say we turn Spotify Shuffle back on by pressing those two intercepting arrows again to make it green. We're going to open up the song and click next. And notice how it skipped over two other songs. But let's say I don't want to do music artist. I'm going to go back to home right here and go to this playlist that I really like. We're going to hit the first song that's in this playlist and have that play. We're going to open up the song, and you see in the bottom left, those same two intercepting arrows are gray or white in this example. Spotify Shuffle is currently off. So we're going to go next. And it played the very next song in this playlist. That is how you turn off Shuffle on Spotify.